Hello students. Today we are going to continue with our topic life process. In that we are going to cover today respiration. So first of all tell me, can you imagine a moment without respiration, without breathing? Can you? No. Yes. So it means in life process the most important role is of respiration. Means respiration is such an important metabolic activity that without it life cannot proceed. So today I am going to tell you about respiration. What is respiration? It is a process which provides us energy by breakdown of glucose. It releases energy in the form of ATP. Now, what is ATP? ATP is adenosine triphosphate. So, that is respiration is the process which gives us energy, and that energy is stored in our body in the form of ATP. Now, in equation form, it can be written like this. Glucose, when combined with oxygen, it gives carbon dioxide, water and energy. And that energy is in the form of ATP. Now, respiration takes place in various organisms in various ways. For example, in lower organism, it takes place through diffusion, through their skin. For example, in earthworm, it takes place through skin. While as we move from simple to complex organism to higher organism, then the process of respiration also becomes complex. For example, in fish, it occurs through gills, while in grasshopper, respiration takes place through trachea, and in higher organisms like human beings and other mammals, it takes place through lungs. So, it means respiration process varies from organism to organism. Now, one more confusion is there among students ki what is the difference between respiration and breathing, or what is the similarity between respiration and breathing. So in general way both are same, but in technical term they are totally different. How, that I am going to tell you. So first of all, respiration. Respiration, as I have already told, it is a biochemical process. Why? Because in this process oxidation of food material takes place and it releases energy in the form of ATP. While breathing, it is totally different from respiration. Breathing, it is a physical process. Why? Because in breathing only simple inhalation and exhalation of material takes place. Simple exchange of gases takes place. But in respiration, breakdown of glucose occurs. And second point, breathing. In breathing, energy is not produced. And also oxidation of food material do not take place in breathing. So don't get confused now and understand well that respiration and breathing are totally different process, but both are similar also in many aspects. Now we will study about breakdown of glucose. How does this process of respiration takes place, and how does the breakdown of glucose takes place in various organisms, and what are the terms used for this. First of all, I am going to tell you that breakdown of glucose takes place in three ways. First, in presence of oxygen, second, in lack of oxygen, and third, in absence of oxygen. So, the respiration when takes place in presence of oxygen, that type of respiration is known as aerobic respiration. while the respiration which takes place in the absence of oxygen, that is known as anaerobic respiration. So next point is what happens when aerobic and anaerobic respiration takes place, and how does the breakdown of glucose takes place in aerobic and anaerobic respiration. So in presence of oxygen, when glucose is oxidized, then it forms 6 carbon dioxide molecule, 6 water molecules and 38 ATP. It is the point to be noted that 38 ATP are produced at the time of aerobic respiration, while in case of anaerobic respiration, when breakdown of glucose takes place, then it releases 2 molecules of ethyl alcohol, 2 molecules of carbon dioxide, plus only 2 ATP molecules are released in this process. Here only 2 ATP molecules are released. Aerobic respiration, it takes place in mitochondria, while anaerobic respiration, it takes place in cytoplasm. Next point is aerobic respiration. In this process, food material is completely oxidized, while in anaerobic respiration, food material is incompletely oxidized. Now I am going to tell you what happens when breakdown of glucose takes place in lack of oxygen. So when breakdown of glucose takes place in lack of oxygen, then in this case it forms lactic acid plus energy. Thus in these 3 ways breakdown of glucose takes place, and in this manner respiration is classified mainly into 2 types, but breakdown of glucose, it is classified into 3 types, but maximum amount of energy is released in case of aerobic respiration, that is 38 ATP is released, and therefore it takes place in higher organisms, while anaerobic respiration, in this process only 2 ATP are released, and therefore it takes place in lower organism. So students, I hope you have understood the respiration, its difference and its mechanism.